Okay, quick Thursday morning radar update. So we've got a gap down in Europe today. Bit of a soft close on the US market yesterday. Let's just jump back to the US. All gaps filled. We did that range. We put the opening range in, didn't we, on Monday, and the gaps filled on Tuesday. They just bumped above, and they fell through the range yesterday and just sold off for the rest of the day. So, we'll see how this goes. It's flip-flop before the markets leave the area. It's been flip-flopping for some time now, and it's actually a pretty good week. Being I've just checked. I couldn't help myself. I checked my portfolio this morning, and it was minus 1%. So there's been some good bounces in growth stocks this week. Moving on from there, let's just jump straight into. There's not that much up today in the UK with this gap down, but the market's just trying to turn towards that gap fill. So we'll just see if anything else has entered the... I've hit the volume leaders instead. Hang on a minute. It's 10:21. We should have traded, I'll say 27% to be on average volume. I'll just fly through these, what's on volume today. For whatever reason. Quick look through these. BMS looked as though it's the right side of a base there, didn't it? And the XN. Straight back to highs. Gold getting a little bit of activity this morning by the looks of it. CLBS, a little hit of sugar there. Back up to highs. And CNC as well. Just an animal, that one. It's just gone straight back to highs. It actually traded highs of the move on a hit of sugar there as well, wasn't it? A bit of news there. Gellion. No, I don't know this one. There you go. That's a new one on me. Lose slightly less scenario expected post turnover. Electronic components. So do your own research. Don't know what it is. And I'll just see what's hitting the up today. There's no volume filter on this one, so I'll just see what's actually up on the day. Quite wide spreads today, so this filter doesn't pick many up on a wider spread day. Yeah, there's hardly anything in here. Persimmon. Yeah, so that's what there is. There's not much to look at, is there? Quick look at a few markets here. Bitcoin just, getting loose. I've done a video actually on Bitcoin just talking about better entries. What's actually about all products, but it just Bitcoin. I use Bitcoin for the example. TLT, yeah, we punched up. We've got a really good line in the sand above us now. A little bit of coil in here would be fantastic, wouldn't it? Big psychological level as well. And let's just quickly go and have a look at gold and oil. Oil lower, better for everyone. And gold just going sideways up at highs here. Yep. That's about all we've got today. We'll just cruise on in and we'll see how the US market wakes up. Okay, I'll leave it there.